Hi there and welcome to the second video, you guys. So you have opened up your starter kits and you've watched the introductory video on how to get started with your oils. Hopefully you participated and watched the 101 class in the last email that was linked below, because that's so wonderful in helping you get started and learn how to use every single oil in your starter kit. And you've learned about Ningxia Red. So today you guys are like, oh my gosh, I love my oils. These are amazing. I need to learn more, but how do I learn more? Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys resources that will empower you on this oily journey and learn how to use your oils. Okay, so this is a resource you guys all have, although hopefully you have the latest edition. This is just what I found over there really quickly, so I grabbed it. So it's a little bit older, but this is tons of information, you guys. It starts out talking about the Seed to Seal, which is Young Living's guarantee, which really goes into really what sets them apart and why I fell in love with the company, because they really care about the integrity of the product. I mean, they even test the seeds before they plant them, you guys. That's huge. So it tells you where some of our farms are. It talks about the different ways you can use oils. And then if you look up each oil individually, it will tell you how it will support you. So lots of information in here, you guys. This is a great resource to just start learning, especially when you're new. Now, if you want to look up how each specific oil works in your body and how it can support you very specifically, because let's just go to an oil, for example, oregano. Here we go. So we have oregano here. It tells you the botanical family, the plant origin, the extraction method, the key constituents that are in this specific oil, the ORAC score, and the historical data, medical properties, uses, and the fragrant influence and application, and if there's any cautions on the oils. So as you can see, this little book here, which is the Essential Oils Pocket Reference, it's about $13. It is so worth the investment, you guys. If you're loving these oils and you truly want to learn about them and how to use them in your home and on your little ones, on yourself, this is a phenomenal resource. It's like the Bible of essential oils. So you can look up each oil independently, singles and blends, or you can look up a specific way that it supports your body. So for example, you can come in here and you can say, you know, my little one's really struggling with their bum being ouchy, and I want to know which oils will support that. Or what else? I'm really struggling with a certain part of my area being ouchy because I play a lot of tennis and it's just feeling like it needs a lot of support, and I'm being FDA compliant and I'm not saying some of these terms. How can I use oils to support certain things, you guys? And I'll tell you, I mean, there's so much information here. So great buy, you guys. $13. I will post below where you can get this, Life Science Publisher, as well as Amazon. Okay, a must-have if you really are loving your oils and you want to learn more. This is phenomenal. I mean, this in itself will keep you busy learning for a very long time. And it's phenomenal to refer back to, because I can't remember everything. I refer to this all the time. So great resource. Okay. Now, essential oils are phenomenal for supporting our bodies. They're also wonderful for helping us ditch and switch, kind of getting all the chemical-laden products out of our homes and switching to cleaner products. I highly recommend that you guys download the Think Dirty app on your phone, go to your local grocery store, and some of the products that you have in your home now, rate them, and they'll tell you from a scale 1 to 10 how toxic those products are. Okay, a lot of the stuff that we put on our brand new babies when they come out of the womb, you guys, is just awful. They're rated 10 on toxicity and chemical what's in them. So Young Living and essential oils is a phenomenal way to kind of slowly get rid of all the chemicals and replace it with healthier products. Now, we live in a toxic world. We can't completely rid ourselves of chemicals, but it's a phenomenal way to do that. So some great resources are Melissa Pepping. She has some great, very easy to use, it's called the Chemical Free Home. And I think there's 2 or 3 of them, but it has everything from all these DIY baby recipes for your little ones to how to clean your hardwood floors, I mean, you're making your own hairspray. I mean, you name it, it's in here. So if you want to live chemically free and live more green, and you want to know a lot of DIY recipes, these are great little books. I want to say they're like $5 to $7. Or you can go on Pinterest or online. There's a lot of information there too. There's a lot of stuff on my blog as well, thehomemadelife.com. Okay, so a few resources there. Let's say that you're a woman and you need to tame that dragon within because you need hormonal support. This is a great book as well. This will give you it'll break down kind of what the hormones in our body are and how they work, what they do. I'm not going to try to do that because I'm not an expert, but I will refer you to this resource. If that is a need that needs to be supported, is your hormones, then this is going to be a book for you. It's $8.95, so great read. Definitely a book you'll want to read if that's your needs. Mamas out there, you want to start using oils on your babies to support their bodies because it gives us peace of mind knowing that there's nothing in these oils that are going to hurt them, much like many of the things that we get over the counter that have all these side effects, okay? This is a great book as well. This will give you so many different applications on how to use your oils very specifically, and it will just, it's great. So if you want to know how to use your oils on your little ones, this is a great book. It is, I want to say $12 or $13, but great book by Deborah Rayburn, Gentle Babies. Now, if you are a mama and you would like, this is a great little smaller version of that book that is wonderful for putting on the fridge, okay? It talks about infants and children under 1, how to use oils. It talks about pregnancy and new mom, and also essential oil remedies for young children. Okay, this is wonderful too. So if you want one of these, reach out to me and I'll be sure to get you one, okay? I keep one on my fridge too. These are also fun too, 150 ways to use oils. I want to say these are a couple dollars. I'm happy to send you one as well. And it just will go over each oil in the starter kit. Like frankincense, thieves, and all the different ways that you can refreshen your kitchen, refreshen your bathroom. You can use carpet powder. It's great to refresh your throat, or if it's feeling a little scratchy. I mean, moldy, musty smells, you name it. Great resource for using your oils. And lastly, Flourish, which you'll be getting in the mail too. This is a really fun little booklet. I love this one so much. And it's like a little welcome book. It talks about Young Living seed to sale. It talks about the different ways you can use your oils, the different diffusers that are out there and available, and the starter kit. It talks a little bit about how to use every single essential oil. It has a few fun DIY recipes in here for you. For example, like an air freshener, a body scrub, an eye serum, a roll-on bath salts. So some diffuser recipes which are really fun. It talks about the thieves cleaning recipes and line, which is wonderful if you're trying to get all the bad products out of your home, and we will cover that in another video. And it goes a little bit more into detail about Ningxia Red, the supplements. Young Living has phenomenal supplements, so this is a great little resource that will be sent to you as well. Okay, so those are the resources. There's many other resources out there, but those are just a few that I recommend and have. I will again post the links where you can get those. So Life Science Publisher is a great place to get them. Amazon sells some of these resources as well. If you're going to pick a couple to grab, I highly recommend the Pocket Reference, the first one that I showed you, this one here. Excuse me as I'm ducking out of the video. This one here, and then the Gentle Babies by Deborah Rayburn if you're a mama and you want to use those oils on your little ones. So those are resources for you to equip you on this oily journey. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a super awesome day, and we will see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye-bye.